In this video, I will show you how to play videos from a USB drive just like this one over here on your Android TV. Now, over here, I have a TCL Android TV, but it doesn't really matter the brand of Android TV you have, whether it's a TCL, a Sony, or even a Hisense Android TV. This video is still going to guide you on how to play videos from your USB drive on your Android TV. Now, first things first, what you want to do is to go ahead and connect your USB drive on any of the USB ports on your TV. Depending on the size and brand of your Android TV, you might have more than one USB port. Just go ahead and plug it to any of the USB ports on your TV. And after connecting the USB device to your Android TV, you're going to get a notification just like this indicating that a USB device has been connected to your Android TV. So you want to go ahead and press on the OK button to open it up directly. But if you do not see that message, basically what you just want to do is to come over to your remote control of your Android TV, and then you just want to scroll over to where you have the media player app over here on your Android TV. So just go ahead and click on the media player just like this, and you should be able to see your USB drive over here on your Android TV. You can literally see the USB device over here. If your TV does not have the media player that is over here on my Android TV, what you can also do is to just scroll over to the top where you have the input section of your Android TV, just as you can see over here, and then just go ahead and click on it just like so, and then scroll down until you get to media player over here. Go ahead and select it just like so. Now, once you find it, you want to go ahead and open it up by just clicking on it. And as you can see over here, I have photos, videos, and even files on this particular USB drive. So what I would just do is to just scroll down to where I have videos, click on it, and you can literally see the video that I actually have on my USB drive. To play this particular video, I'll just go ahead and select it just like so, and automatically that particular video will be played on my Android TV. Now, finally, if after connecting your USB drive to your Android TV and it does not show, or the TV does not detect the USB drive that is being connected to the TV, then what you want to do is to go ahead and format your USB drive to FAT32 before connecting it to your Android TV. And then lastly, it is also important to note that not all video types will play on your Android TV. So if you try playing some videos and they do not play on your Android TV, then you just want to note that maybe that particular video file is not supported on your Android TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.